Hello, we're going to do foundation, so I need you to go ahead and I need you to get your whiteboard out. I need you to get your marker out and your eraser out. Okay, if you have all of those things out, we're going to go ahead and we're going to get started, okay? Leave those things on a table or desk, wherever you are, or even on a book. Okay, you need to be writing on a hard surface, okay? Just like we would be at school. So find a hard surface to write on. Again, like your kitchen table, kitchen counter, a table, a desk, even find a really big book and put that down on it, okay? So you're writing on something hard. All right, so we're going to get started. We're going to work on two letters today, okay? Everybody say P, pan, P. Okay, let's do it again. P, pan, P. Awesome. Okay, and then the next letter, we're going to do J, jug, J. Okay, again, say it with me. J, jug, J. Okay, we are going to work on writing these, okay? All right, so we are just going to write the lowercase letters, but we are going to start with our P, okay? So we are going to start on the plain line. The first time I do it, you can just watch, okay? And the next time I want you to do it with me, okay? We will start on the plain line, okay? We're going to go down to the worm line. We're going to pick up our marker. We're going to come back to the plain line and we're going to curve around to the grass line, just like that, okay? All right, the next one you may do with me. Let's start at the plain line. Go down to the worm line. Stop right there at the worm line. Pick up your marker. Go to the plain line and go around to the grass line. Okay? And say P, pan, P. Okay, go ahead and write one on your own. I'll leave it up here so you can see it. It's probably backwards for you. I apologize. Say P, pan, P once you write it. And once you have 3 P's on your board, you may erase it. Okay, go ahead and erase your board. All right, the next one we are doing J, jug, J. All right, so again, we are going to start on the plain line. Just watch me the first time, okay? Start on the plain line. We're going to go down to the worm line, and we're going to curve it to the worm line in between the worm line and grass line, okay? And then we are going to put a dot above our plain line. J, jug, J. Okay, you may pick up your marker now and do this next one with me. You're going to start at the plain line. You're going to go down to the worm line. You're going to curve it at the worm line in between the worm line and the grass line. And then you're going to make a dot above the plain line, okay? Go ahead and make one more J on your own. Remember, start at the plain line. Go down to the worm line. Curve it at the worm line so it is in between the worm line and grass line. And then make a dot above the plain line. Okay, you should have 3 J's. Once you have 3 J's, you may erase it. Let's go over our letters and sounds one more time. Okay, everybody say P, pan, P, and J, jug, J. Okay, guys, that's it for foundations.